So this is ACX. This lesson is going to go through how to link your account on ACX and how to get started on the platform. What the platform is it's the link between Amazon and Audible, and it's sort of just the back office for that to get your books, a voice actor who will go ahead and narrate your book, and then you can start selling these audiobooks on the Audible, Amazon, and iTunes platforms. So account creation is really simple. You already have an Amazon account at this point. You're going to go ahead and click sign up now, and you're going to go ahead and link your Amazon account to the ACX account, and then I'll show you what the dashboard and everything looks like. All right, so once you're in here, this is going to be what the dashboard looks like, and everything is there for you to go through. If you want to post a title or see your offers and all of that, but once you have this account, you can get started on it right away. You can wait until you have a couple books out. But at least this way you have the account, and when you're ready to get into ACX, you're good.